In this video, we are going to talk about impact test on aggregate as per IS code 5640/1970. Objective: to determine the impact value of given road aggregate. Apparatus and material required: impact testing machine, a cylindrical metal measure having internal diameter 75 mm and depth 50 mm, tamping rod of 10 mm diameter and 230 mm long, IS sieve of 12.5 mm, 10 mm and 2.36 mm sizes, balance, thermostatic oven and aggregate sample. Theory: the aggregate impact value indicates a relative measure of the resistance of the aggregate to impact. The aggregate impact value is expressed as the percentage of the fines formed in terms of the total weight of the sample. Due to traffic loads, the road aggregates are subjected to impact, and there is a possibility of aggregates breaking into smaller pieces. Therefore, the road aggregates should be tough enough to resist fracture under impact. A test designed to evaluate the toughness of aggregates is called aggregate impact test. Procedure: the given road aggregate is sieved through 12.5 mm and 10 mm sieves. Aggregates which are passed through 12.5 mm sieve and retained on 10 mm sieve is taken as sample. Aggregates sample is dried in oven for 4 hours at a temperature of 100 to 110 degrees Celsius and cooled. The cylindrical measure is filled with aggregates in 3 layers. Each layer is about 1/3 of total height and tamped 25 times with tamping rod before putting the next layer. The weight of aggregate in the measure is determined and taken as W1. The entire sample is transferred into a steel cup of the testing machine, which has internal diameter 102 mm and 50 mm depth and is rigidly fixed with base plate of testing machine. Here you can see the impact testing machine. The aggregate in the steel cup is then tamped 25 times. The hammer of the testing machine is raised until its lower surface is 380 mm above the upper surface of the aggregates in the cup and is allowed to fall freely on the aggregates. 15 such blows are given to the sample. The time interval between 2 blows should not be less than 1 second. The sample is then removed from the cup and sieved through 2.36 mm sieve. The fraction passing through the 2.36 mm sieve is weighed. The above test is repeated at least 3 times to get the average. Now we will fill the observation table. Calculation: percentage aggregates impact value equal to W2 by W1 into 100. Result: the average aggregate impact value of given sample is what we found after the calculation. Precautions: the test sample should be dried for 4 hours at 100 to 110 degrees Celsius. Care should be taken while removing aggregates after the test to avoid any loss. Weights of aggregate should be taken accurately. If the impact value is less than 10%, the aggregate is exceptionally strong. If it falls between 10 to 20%, aggregate is strong. If it falls between 20 to 30%, it is satisfactory for road surfacing. And if the impact value is greater than 30%, it is weak for road surfacing. Thank you.